Yo, what's up guys? So welcome to another YouTube video, and today we're gonna be breaking down the #1 editing technique that I do in all of my videos. Now this is a technique that's non-negotiable when it comes to editing my own videos for my personal brand. Every time I hire an editor, or if I'm working with an editor, I always tell them to do this one trick. Now, the best part about this trick or this editing technique is that it's super simple. You don't need After Effects, you don't need any AI plugin or any plugins at all or preset. You can do it within a couple of minutes, really. And you can do it with DaVinci, with CapCut, and of course you can do it with Premiere Pro, which is what I'll be using today to show you guys. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Alexi De La Cuesta, and I run a content agency helping founders, content creators, and entrepreneurs build their personal brand and help them go viral. And at this point, we've been working for the past 4 years, and we've generated close to 1 billion views. And I grew my own personal brand from 300 to around 60,000 followers in just 3 months. And now I'm currently at 80,000 followers on IG. So without further ado, let's get right into the technique that I want to show you guys. All right, so we're in Premiere Pro right now, and as you can see here, I have a video all loaded in. It's an old video that I already posted, but I went ahead and cut the video. Now, what normal video editors do, or what every video editor does when they first start out, is they cut the video like this, where it's just a straight up hard cut on each hard cut in the video. Sorry. So what they do is, let me just extend this. They would just cut out the empty spaces or empty audio. They'll delete that, and then they'll just like connect it with the next clip. So this is what it sounds like right now. So I've been a videographer / video editor for the past 4 years now. And if I were to start over from scratch, here's exactly what I would do to sign on my first client. Contrary to popular belief, I would honestly start doing free work. And the reason for this is so I can start building up my portfolio and showcasing it on platforms like Instagram or a marketplace platform like Gem Social. So I could attract potential leads. But this doesn't mean you should be doing free work all the time. Just try to get 2 to 3 gigs for free so you can get some XP under your belt and level up. So you can see there, or you can hear that it's just, pretty good flow. There might be some moments where I would tighten it up, like right here, for example. I'd actually just tighten this up. And the whole point with short form content is you want to make things as quick as possible, really only for when you're doing talking head videos like this, and also depending on your brand. But for me, in this case, I want it to be quick and snappy, so I would try and minimize all the empty spaces in between my clips or empty audio sections here. So let me just go ahead and close these out a bit more, and it looks good. So again, this is what literally all editors or beginner editors would do when it comes to cutting up your footage. Now, what I would do is actually, I would take it a step further in terms of making it a faster video. So what I would do is, once I have all my clips cut up, I would then take the first clip, drag this to a top layer here, and I would zoom in a bit, drag this bottom audio track down here. And I would take this clip and actually just overlay it ever so slightly, just so you can see here this audio track is overlapping with the audio track from the first clip. So maybe even a bit more like that. And I would just continue doing this. And the reason for this is because, in my opinion, it sounds a lot more smoother, and it's quicker as well. And it also shortens the video. So let me just play this out real quick and just show you what I would do to sign on my first client. Contrary to popular belief, I would honestly start doing free work. And the reason for this is so I can start building up my portfolio and show. So do you hear how much faster that is? So let me just Control Z. So keep that in mind. Let's Control Z, and let's just hear this back when it's just normal cut. Contrary to popular belief, I would honestly start doing free work. And the reason for this is so I can start building up. So yeah, hard cuts. Instead, just overlap these two, right? Overlap it, and let me just do it to a bunch of them real quick. So put that up. And this is what it's called, a J-cut. And the reason why it's called a J cut is because it's shaped like a J. You can see here, it's a J cut. So let me go ahead and do that for the rest of the video, and I'll just let you hear what that sounds. And then at the end of this, I'll play a side by side or a comparison at the end of this video so that you can clearly hear the difference here. So let me just do that. Let me do this. And then a little overlay. Okay. Now let's play it once through. I've been a videographer slash video editor for the past 4 years now. And if I were to start over from scratch, here's exactly what I would do to sign on my first client. Contrary to popular belief, I would honestly start doing free work. And the reason for this is so I can start building up my portfolio and showcasing it on platforms like Instagram or a marketplace platform like Gem Social. So I could attract potential leads. But this doesn't mean you should be doing free work all the time. Just try to get 2 to 3 gigs for free so you can get some XP under your belt and level up. Now, boom. That's what you can do to make your videos a lot better, especially when it comes to doing your voiceovers or your talking head. Because again, this not only helps shortening up your video, but also pushes the pace to be a lot faster. I would advise you to try it out next time. Now, just to give you another example to hear really the pace of a video, let me just pull up, this video. This video right here, I J-cutted like the whole thing pretty much, but you can kind of just really hear how fast-paced this video is.
This was the best $12 I've spent as a content creator since hiring Matt. This is called a magic lamp. You've probably seen this viral item before. This small but powerful tool can bring depth and a cool vibe to your video. And I've used it in almost all my talking head videos. To give you an example, check out this video I shot with just a light tube. Now, look at this one where I used the sunset lamp. See the difference? And the best part? It only cost 12 Canadian pesos. And now that you know, I have to tell you how this was the best 12.
Another great example is...
Man is carrying Australia's hospitality industry.
Who's this Australian man, and why does Alexi love him?
This is Paul, and he's been running his tour business called Vine Trekker since 2004. And he's gotten over 2,400 reviews on TripAdvisor with a 5-star rating. So I'm gonna see if this is really worth it. On the first stop, Paul took us to an animal sanctuary where he introduced us to...
So do you hear how, again, how much faster that video, the pace of the video seems to be? Another great example who does this really well is Mr. Beast. So if you go on Mr. Beast here, let's see if we can find a short he's done.
If I put you in the woods with a complete stranger.
We're doing everything we can to stay warm at night.
And for every day you survive, you get $10,000 dropped from an airplane. At any point, you can end the challenge by shooting this flare.
Oh, we're never leaving.
Survive a year, win over $3.5 million.
If you fire that flare, I literally think I'm gonna kill you.
I think I'm done.
How many days would you last? What if I put you in the woods with a
So you can, I can tell very subtle that he's using these J cuts in here to make this video, the pace of this video seem faster. And he does it with all his videos. You can clearly tell just by listening and watching his videos. That's about it for the video. If you want to see more little breakdowns like this, where I kind of just break down a little editing technique or, some golden nugget about creating content, just let me know in the comments below. And I'll happy to create a video around it.